Hello YouTube, this is a video to show you my solderless 18650 battery pack. It holds 20 cells, has 2 bus bars, and is designed to be highly cost effective. I started this design by making these 7 cell battery holders for Jehu Garcia's PCB, which you can see here. It's pretty simple really, it's just a cage to hold the batteries and it has holes on each side for the wires to go to each cell. So then I decided to make this tray. The idea is that you can use it to mount all your batteries to a board using these 4 screw holes here, and then you'll be able to see all your batteries at the same time. But then I made this, which is the 2 trays back to back and 2 bus bars on each side. It holds 20 cells in parallel. And at this point you're probably thinking, that's a thin wire, are you sure all those cells are making good contact? And I shared your concern, but I've tested this thoroughly and sized the plastic so that when you insert a battery, the plastic actually deforms, compressing the wire against the cells, forming quite a good connection. Let me bring in the multimeter here, and I'll use this tray to show you. So here's a battery, and I'll put it in all the positions to show you that it's making good contact all the way along. Even if I wiggle the cell like this, there's no interruption. That's how strong the connection is. I'll just show you the last couple of positions here. See, it's all good. Right, so if you look here, I don't know if you can see it too well, but on these old recycled batteries you get these 4 bumps, which were left from the spot welds when they were part of other battery packs. This wire tends to sit in between these bumps, and maybe even provides a better connection than a flat terminal would. So there you go, it's actually a feature. Now this is 0.4mm wire, which is about twice as thick as your standard 5A fuse wire, but as I'll demonstrate now, it will still behave as a fuse when subjected to a high amperage. Also, there's no looseness to this. If I shake this pack like I shake a baby, you'll see none of these batteries are flying out. But wait, there's more. Here's a sleeve that you can slide the pack into. The fit is tight, and once you got this lid on, you can tape around and put some silicone up the top there, and it's marine grade. This sleeve is waterproof, as I'll demonstrate here. Don't worry, I'm not going to drink out of it, and I wouldn't recommend submerging these packs in water, but it will keep the moisture off of your batteries. Another feature is serviceability. So far I've been using Jehu Garcia's PCB, which sort of inspired this design. But while it's very good, it does have one problem, and that is, if you get a battery go wrong in the middle, you have to deconstruct the entire stack to get at it. With mine you can just slide out your battery pack and access all the cells instantly. You can tear one of these packs down in 30 seconds. Just watch. How fast was that? And it's pretty quick to assemble as well. So there you have it. A solderless system with strong contact, fused, can be made water resistant, easy to service and cost effective.